Jamaica finishes 5th on track and field medals table at the Tokyo Olympics. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Link 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop, and we're in the track and field season, and I can tell you that the Olympics is over, but Jamaica has done their country proud after finishing 5th on the track and field medals table in Tokyo. So Jamaica finishes 5th on the track and field medals table at the Tokyo Olympics game. The Caribbean nation closed its participation in the competition at the Olympics Games with the 4x400 meter relay, which were run on Saturday morning Jamaica time. The Jamaica women finished third to win the country's 9th medal, while the men were placed outside of the frame and did not receive a medal for their event. Jamaica had been second behind the United States, its powerful neighbor to the north, for much of the track and field portion of the game, but was eventually overtaken by Italy, which finished second. Kenya, which ended by winning the men's marathon, came in third, Poland finishing fourth, while Jamaica rounded off the top 5 of the medal table. Italy surprised the track and field world by winning the men's 100 meter finals at the Olympics for the first time, and followed up with another surprise by taking the men 4x100 meter relay in a national record. Of note is that while Italy finished second with only 5 medals, they were all gold. Poland, like Jamaica, won 9 medals, including 4 gold medals each. However, Poland won 2 silver medals compared to 1 for Jamaica. The Jamaicans also secured 4 bronze medals compared to Poland 3, which allowed the Poles to finish 1 place above the Jamaicans. Kenya also ended with 4 gold medals, but 10 overall, which include 4 silver and 2 bronze. Jamaica has a population of approximately 2.8 million people. The United States has approximately 330 million. Italy 60.3 million, Poland 38 million, while Kenya 52.5 million. Based on the population sizes, Jamaica on a per capita basis would have placed second overall behind the Caribbean neighbors, the Bahamas, which finished 12th on the track and field medals table, but would rank number 1 based on its gold medals and population size of approximately 390,000. The Bahamas won both the men's and women's 400 meter finals to cap a very good Olympics for the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo. So as the curtains are drawn on the 2020 Olympics that was held in 2021, based on the pandemic of the corona, one have to remember that this Olympics should have been held last year, but based on the onset of the coronavirus, it was pushed back to 2021. So this is actually the 2020 Olympics being held. But I can tell you this was watched by millions across the world. It was very well organized, and I can tell you that the organizers of this event and the whole entire setup of the Tokyo Olympics needs to be commended for the efforts that they put into organizing these different track and field events, and also the different events that participated throughout the entire Olympics. It was well staged. Even though the stands were empty, I believe that the athletes performed to the best of their abilities, and they delivered an epic performance for the world to see. Hats off to the Jamaican team and the athletes, and whichever event they participated in, whether they were victorious or not. We just want to take this opportunity to commend them and just to congratulate them as well for taking part in these events and representing the country to the best of their abilities. This is where I'm going to leave this one here for now though. Thanks for watching. This has been Link 007 TV, and this is where I believe I'm going to take you out of the Olympics for 2020, which was held in 2021. So this is where I say so long for now. Peace out and bless, and please remember to subscribe to the channel as always, so you're updated with the latest report on things that are happening around the world in sports, entertainment, and also local and international news. Signing out.